Today we shall learn how to create Publons ID and how to import journal articles in PubMed Publon ID. As we know that Publons is part of Clarivate Analytics Web of Science. Therefore, Publons ID is very useful to store the publications, reviewer record and editor record, and a researcher can get credit of his or her academic activity from the Publons. And throughout the world, now Publons is considered as one of the most reputed organization for these publication records, reviewer records, and editors records. First, we have to create the Publons ID. First, I will go to the register. Now we'll close it. One activation mail will come to my email ID. Let's see. Activation mail came. Please activate your Publons account. This first mail will always come from clarivate.com. After that, all emails will come from Publons. First email, because that is a unified ID. Click here to activate. Yeah, now the Publons ID has been created. Now the introductory screen came. Here you can read and learn how to use the Publon. First screen, second screen. Now get started. So first will come the private dashboard summary. Here your all records you can see. So many things are there. You can see. So we will only now first concentrate on my records. So here publications records, peer review records and editor records will come. We'll go to the publications. So Publons has given many options to import the publication records. From Web of Science also you can import, or you can import manually. We'll go to manual import. Import publications. We'll click it. In manual option, here import from Web of Science is there. ORCID, import by identifier, import by file uploads are there. We'll click on import by identifier. Here import by identifier, two options, DOI PubMed ID or article title. We'll see article title. So we require a article title, for example. Now we can see the journal, one journal, any journal you can see, take that any journal and go to the archives. So we'll go to any archive. So here, so for one example, we'll take one article. So suppose this is the article, we'll click on it. So this is the article. We'll take the title of that article and we'll paste in article title section. And after that, outside we have to click once. So outside it came. So it already identified all the things. It has fetched the DY. You can check the DY whether it is the DY, and here the article's DY is there. So you can check the authenticity of the DY, or if you want, you can put the URL also here. Instead of this URL, you can put this URL also. Journal URL here. Now save publications. So publication saved successfully. Now we'll check what is happening. Okay, so the article already came. Here, queue for update from the Web of Science. You can do alt metric also. You can do. You can delete it also if required. You will see. We'll go inside the article. Okay. So these are the author. So here the article came, and one automatic Publons ID already has been created, and the DY also came. So as I have told, you can check the DY whether it is correct or not. You can check the DY. Yes, it is correct. And you can see once the Publon score will come, alt metric will also come, Web of Science score collection citations will also come from here. So by this way, we have uploaded our first journal article in our Publons ID. Publon is very useful to showcase your strength as an academician. There are many aspects of Publon, and you can use Publon for your future purposes. Please use Publon properly. It is very useful and you will get many benefits from Publons ID. Thank you.